Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. It's time to head in and check out all of this week's deals in CVS. There is a great deal on CoverGirl, Sally Hansen, Old Spice, and it's definitely a week to buy Listerine. So let's head in and check out all the deals and all the coupons that you need to get them. There's a great deal on CoverGirl. I know we see CoverGirl all the time, but this week it's kind of a twofold deal. You're gonna get rewards back, but you're also gonna get a freebie. So when you grab $15 worth of any CoverGirl, you are gonna get a free GSQ blender. It's hard for me to hold all three items that I'm planning on getting. Here you go, this guy, it's a 2-pack. It's $6.49 in most stores. So you grab $15 worth of CoverGirl, this is completely free. These took a little bit for me to find. In my store, blenders were all kind of in their own little section. So go look for blenders if you can't find GSQ in your store. So $15 worth to get the freebie and a $6 extra care back. Now guys, we just got $3 off CoverGirl coupons in Sunday's paper and as printables. So grab a $3 off face. This is CoverGirl powder, it's $8.69. Grab a $3 off eye, get your professional mascara. It's the cheapest at $6.99. That's $15 right there. Those two guys, use those two $3 off coupons, get your free blender, and then check for your store coupons. I have a store coupon for $3 off any $15 in CoverGirl as well. So that's $9 in coupons on a $15 purchase. You're gonna get back a $6 reward. Total, all three of these for me, gonna come out to 34 cents a piece. Not bad at all, using those coupons, rewards, and a freebie this week. I have mentioned Sally Hansen for the last couple weeks, but this week it's even better. Sally Hansen Miracle Gel is on sale, 2 for $15. It's not a bad sale because these are normally $10 a piece. 2 for $15. When you buy 2, you're gonna get a $5 reward. You don't technically have to buy the Miracle Gel, so all Sally Hansen is a $5 reward when you buy 2, but this is a pretty sweet deal. We've got $2 off printable coupons for Miracle Gel. And I mentioned this last week, but this counts as cosmetics. So if you have a 3 off 12 in cosmetics, use it here. So follow me on the math. You're gonna grab 2 of them for $15. Use two $2 off printable coupons. That's $4. Use a store $3 off. That's now $7 in coupons. So you're gonna pay $8 after coupons and get back a $5 reward. That means you just paid $1.50 each for Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. That's a great price for one of the big names in nail care. So make sure that that deal is on your list. Definitely if you have the store coupon. Without the store coupon, you're still gonna walk out paying like $3 for each one of them. So still not a bad price, but you probably have that store coupon. You can grab a pretty good deal on feminine care this week. We see this deal a lot, but we've got very high value coupons that you get to pair in with it. So buy one, get one half off on Playtex and OB products. And when you grab $12 worth, you're gonna get a $3 reward. So pick one, just one at $9.49, or sorry, 2 at $9.49 with the sale gets you to the $12 that you need. We've got $2 off coupons on the large packages of Playtex Sport, on the Gentle Glide and on the OB. $2 off coupons. So grab 2 of them, use 2 coupons, and you're gonna end up paying like $2.70 for each box. It's a good price for boxes that are normally in the $9 range. So if this is a brand that you'll use, this is definitely a stock up week. We have 2 different razor deals this week, 2 different brands that come out to $1.99 after coupons and rewards. Pretty sweet. If you have a store coupon off of any shave purchase, even better. So no store coupons here, guys. Just the manufacturer's coupons, $1.99 a piece. Seriously, if you have the store coupon, this should definitely be on the list, but $1.99, I'd still add it in. So here are your deals. Bulldog razor, it's $9.99. You're gonna get back a $4 reward, and there is a $4 digital coupon for everyone. It's a manufacturer's coupon off of Bulldog razors in the CVS app or online at cvs.com. So load that digital coupon. You're going to pay $5.99. You're going to get back a $4 reward. So it makes it $1.99. Then slide over and we've got Schick. Schick this week, all of the Schick men's razors on sale for $8.99. You're gonna get back a $3 reward. We have $4 coupons from the 510 inserts. Now we had printables here, but the printables are gone. So you're gonna need that insert coupon. Use your $4 off coupon, you're gonna pay $4.99 and you're gonna get back a $3 reward. So again, it's $1.99 and you get to pick. This is a limit of 1 on each of these. So 1 chick, 1 bulldog, don't go overboard. But if you have a razor coupon, I have a 3 off any $12 purchase. Buy both, you're now paying 49 cents a piece because you're gonna get $1.50 off of each one of them. 49 cents a piece for a chick razor and a bulldog razor. So not a bad week for razors with both of those deals. We have 3 different hair care deals this week that all come out to $1. Suave, Garnier Fructis, and L'Oreal Elvive. After coupons and rewards, Suave has rewards, L'Oreal has rewards, Garnier does not. But after coupons and rewards, $1 a piece. Now all of these are on the CVS list on Southern Savers, but why I'm mentioning them together, $1 a piece is a great price for shampoo and conditioner, don't get me wrong. But even better if you throw in a store coupon. I've got a coupon for $4 off any $18 purchase in hair care. So add all 3 of these deals together. 2 Suaves, 2 Garniers, 2 Elvives, sorry. Use the coupons for all of them. You're gonna end up paying 66 cents a piece for each of them after the store coupon and the manufacturer's coupon. So even better. Don't just look at one deal and think, oh, that's great. Definitely look at your store coupons here. If you have a store coupon, then let's start adding those deals together so that you can make this an even better price. One other option is Pantene. Pantene is giving rewards, and you may possibly have just a Pantene coupon, not just hair care, but Pantene that is a store coupon. That is also gonna come out to be super cheap on the bottles of Pantene. So that's all the hair care. Again, just head to southernsavers.com. It's right there on the site, and you can print a shopping list with the coupons for all these deals rather than spelling each one of them out. There's a lot on the hair care aisle, let's just put it that way. But again, it's Suave, it's Garnier Fructis, and Elvive are the 3 that I would throw together for a general hair care purchase deal. That's all gonna come out to, for me, 66 cents a bottle. You can grab a great price on Old Spice this week, which is not normally a brand that we see super cheap. It's gonna come out to $1.34, so it's a great price. What you want is Old Spice Ultra Smooth. It is buy one, get one half price this week, and when you buy 3 of them, you're gonna get a $4 reward. Now I know mathematically you immediately wanna buy 4, don't. Just buy 3 and stick with me on this one. Buy 3 of them. There is a $3 off 3 manufacturer's coupon that is a digital in your CVS app or online at cvs.com. So load that 3 off 3 digital. There's also a 50 cents off any Old Spice app only offer. You can use that too. It's a store coupon. And then we have Ibotta offers, specifically guys on this Ultra Smooth. So you're gonna grab 3. That Ibotta is gonna work 3 times. That's $6 back on the Ultra Smooth. $3 manufacturer's coupon, 50 cent app only offer, and a $4 reward. After all of those, you're paying $1.34 for each one of them. I know that it's not free, but this is a brand that is never free. So if someone in your house loves Old Spice, this is definitely a stock up moment. For my husband, this is a stock up moment for us too. So don't miss this deal. It's a great way to use that Ibotta offer. The Ibotta offer is a limit of 3. So if you grab the 4th one, I don't have any coupons on the 4th one. So leave the 4th one in the store. I know that it's buy one, get one half off, but don't do it. Just grab 3. That's all you need for the reward, and it's all that you have coupons for. We've had Listerine freebies at Walgreens the last couple of weeks. I'm excited to say we have Listerine freebies at CVS this week. This is using that Listerine online rebate. So this week when you buy $10 worth of Listerine in CVS, you're gonna get a $5 reward. But there's an online $5 Visa rebate that you can do when you buy a Listerine 1 liter bottle. So grab the Listerine. In this store, this is $6.99 for the 1 liter. Grab a 8-pack of the Ready Tabs. It's $3.99. So now you're there. It's like $10.98. We've got $2 coupons for the Ready Tabs. They're gone now, so hopefully you printed them when we had them. But if you didn't, check your CVS account. I've got a $2 off any $6 in mouthwash. Perfect. This is $6.99. So whichever $2 coupon you want, it doesn't matter. Use them both. If you have both, let's say you just have one, you're going to pay $8.98. You're going to get back $5 in rewards, and then you can submit your receipt for a $5 Visa gift card online. So you just got $10 back. You paid $8.98, but you got even more back. So this is a $1 moneymaker. possibly a $3 moneymaker if you had both of those $2 coupons. Even better. Keep in mind with the Listerine, if you already did the deal in Walgreens, that mail-in rebate or online rebate, it's a limit of 3 per household. So go for it. Grab this deal here if you already did the deal somewhere else and stack up on Listerine thanks to their mail-in rebate and rewards. Snag a great deal on cereal this week. We just got new printable coupons for $1 off 2 General Mills cereals. Guys, we haven't had any General Mills cereals or coupons for them in over a month, if not longer. So it's kind of fun to see them again. Make sure you print this while you can. And then head to CVS or Walgreens this week. They're $1.99 in both stores for a number of different varieties. So you use your $1 off 2 coupon and you're gonna pay $1.49, or you could go for the large family size boxes and you would pay $3. Now this sale, the family size sale, is actually running in a lot of stores: Dollar General, Target, Walgreens, CVS, probably others. So you don't have to come to the drugstores if you want the family size, but $1.49 for the regular size, not bad. Great ways to use those $1 off 2 coupons. Just make sure you get them while you can. We've got a gift card deal this week, guys. Now, I know I'm kind of ending with this one, but really, you want to start with this because I can't use rewards to pay for a gift card deal. So you're going to pay for the gift card deal, you're going to get $10 back in rewards, and then you can use those to buy the other deals that you want to in the store this week. So buy a $50 Netflix, Bass Pro, Cabela's, or Domino's gift card, and you're going to get a $10 extra care back. Where I would really go here is if you already have Netflix, this is an easy 20% off on Netflix. There are no Netflix coupons. So grabbing all the Netflix gift card deals that you can is a huge way to save on something that is a regular purchase for you. You load them straight into your Netflix account, and now it won't debit your checking account anymore for a few months anyway. It's going to pull it off the gift card. So take advantage of this. It's a limit of 1 per account. So a limit of 1 for you. Buy one $50 Netflix gift card, get $10 back, and you've instantly save some money that normally you wouldn't be able to save. Do not pass up gift card deals. They're great ways to save. Obviously, if you want the other ones, you're gonna have to pick Domino's, Cabela's, Bass Pro, or Netflix, one of them, but it's a good way to save 20% on any of those gift cards. That's a pretty good week, guys. There's really even more that I didn't mention. It's hard to, decide where am I going to cut this off and what deals am I going to mention and not mention. If you need diapers, there's a pretty good deal on those this week. I will say why I didn't mention it. We see deals all the time that are buy 30 and get $10 in rewards back. This week, the big mix and match deal is a buy 20 and get 5. It's not really the best deal that we see. There are better. And so I didn't mention it this week. But if you need diapers or you need detergent, this is a good week to grab it. It's not an amazing week to grab it, but it's a good week to grab it. But just so you know what I'm looking for in terms of deals, those buy 30s and get 10s are always the best option over a buy 20 and get 5. So that's why it's not in the video this week, but they're there. All of the deals that I've mentioned, plus a lot of other ones. If you head to southernsavers.com/CVS, you'll see all of this week's extra care buck deals. You can make your shopping list and get ready to go to the store. You'll also see all of the store coupons listed. Now, I want to give you guys a general reminder. Those are different for everybody. And the more that you shop CVS, the more store coupons you are going to have. I've been shopping CVS now for almost 14 years, getting the rewards deals. I'm not saying I have 14 years worth of store coupons, but I definitely have a ton. And part of that is because they know what I purchase, and those store coupons are based on previous purchases. So keep shopping the deals and you will get more store coupons and the deals will get better. Now, if you are not paperless, do that too, because that is definitely going to up the number of store coupons that you get every single week in your CVS app. So go paperless, use the app, take advantage of those store coupons, and definitely take advantage of the sales. All the sales that I've mentioned are good through Saturday. So you've got lots of time to head in and grab them and hopefully find them in your area. If by chance you don't, keep in mind CVS also tracks you. So if you head in and you grab one item, you didn't grab enough, you can always grab the next thing that you need and get your reward after you finish the deal. pretty sweet. They're the only drugstore between CVS and Walgreens anyway that lets you track in the Southeast, only drugstore, let's put it that way. So hopefully that helps you guys too, just an extra little tip on CVS. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you can catch all of the weekly deals as we post them.